to your major scales unit of study. Today we are doing C sharp major scale. This scale has all of the sharps. All of the notes are sharp, so this should be a little bit easier to get through. Hold on, someone's knocking on my door. So if we look at the circle of fifths, we've done C, G, D, A, E, B, F sharp, and C sharp is the last one. And then we're gonna now, well, after this video, we'll go the other way around into the flat scales. To start C sharp major scale, we're just gonna go on the first fret of C, because that's C sharp. If you remember the shapes, it's index, ring, index, middle, pinky, index, ring, pinky. Now we want to memorize the note names. So let's try that together. I'm gonna be reading the scale. Even though I know everything's sharp, my mind is like, anyway, let's do it. 1, 2, ready, go. C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, C sharp. Now if we look at C sharp major chord, so we can do it this way, like go to a C and then just down one fret and bar. Or you can do it this way, which is like a B flat shape, but you go up to B, then C sharp. And basically what we want on this is C sharps, E sharps, and G sharps. That's all we want from this, so let's do it this way. So we have G sharp, C sharp, E sharp, and C sharp. So all of the notes are represented, and that's why C sharp major scale, it makes C sharp major chord. We just use 1, 3, and 5. Now before we get to all of the flats, or the flat scales and the flat major chords, I would like for you to go back to the first video briefly, just kind of review, watch them all, or play all of your scales from the Printable, so that you feel familiar with not only the circle of fifths and the shape, but also the note names. And notice in what order we are adding a new sharp. And that way you can start kind of getting familiar, because all of this is like the alphabet of music and the like sight words of music, the things that you should have memorized. I hope that you're enjoying this course so far. If so, let me know by liking this video, leaving a comment down below, sharing it, or becoming a patron. Alrighty, I will see you in the next one when we do the flats. Sayonara!